What's up, y'all? It's been Jammin' Outdoors. Today I'm actually headed to go get a CBR600rr, another one. This one I should get for cheap though. The guy didn't seem like he wanted much for it. He just wanted it out of his garage, taking up space. He said he wrecked it a few years ago, and he said he's been riding dirty too. He has no title for it, but I checked the VIN and it is clean, so there's nothing to worry about. I should be able to get a bonded title for it. But I got some pretty cool plans for it if I can get it for cheap. So I am actually headed there right now. I made a dive to recover an iPhone, and I have a small amount of time before I have to go to work. But let's see if we can go do it. So how long have you had it?
About 3 years. About 2 years ago I crashed it.
Okay, so it was yours?
Yeah.
So did you have it titled at that time?
Yeah, no.
No, you just ride it dirty?
Yeah, it was
riding dirty?
Yeah, it was just riding it.
I got you. So you said the frame was bent?
No, it's the front, like the front forks are messed up, the front rim is messed up.
Okay, because
it had flipped, front over, so.
Okay, was it your friend or your brother or something?
Yeah, my brother. Yeah, my brother.
I thought he told me that the frame was cracked.
No.
Okay.
No, it's frame ain't cracked. But it's much easier if you were to have, just another CBR and then remove this motor. Because the motor's still good.
You the tank for it?
The tank, no.
No, it got damaged?
Yeah, the tank got damaged. It was leaking the fuel.
Oh, okay. Well, it's definitely a project, that's for sure. Yeah, I can give you $200. Cool with that? Alright, cool. Get a bill of sale written up and
yeah,
$200.
Got it.
And then there it is. Straight out of the bank.
Yeah, we'll do it.
So this guy called me about a bike he had. It's a CBR600rr 09. He wrecked it and he just wants to get rid of it. It's missing a bunch of things, but he wants $200. Gonna get it home, see what we can do. This is the cheapest CBR600rr I've ever seen. That's freaking cheap. So we'll see how it goes. I got her loaded up. $200 CBR600rr, that's dirt cheap. You're not going to be able to find cheaper than that. Now let's go get her home. So we got the $200 CBR back to the house, and I'm looking it over right now, and it's got a ton of parts missing. Plus the rear rim's bent. It's missing the tank and fuel pump entirely. Those are probably going to be the most expensive parts. Everything else is probably going to be fine tuning. And plus he had the airbox all pulled off. I'm not exactly sure. That kind of scares me. But for $200, I can't complain. Plus this would be a good donor bike for my current CBR. So I'll let y'all know in the next video what's all wrong with it. But for today, I'll catch you on the flip.